If you ran out of your skincare and didn't have anything left, what would be like the first 3, 4, or 5 items that you would immediately rush out and pick up or order online? Leave that comment down below. I'm curious what your favorites are, or just maybe some products that you know that you absolutely cannot live without. If you've followed my channel long enough, you will know that I do not have a house. I don't have an apartment. I don't have a condo. I don't have any place that I can call home. Now for shipping, people ask me this all the time. For shipping, I have things sent to my brother-in-law's house. But my husband and I, we sold everything a couple years ago, and we've pretty much just been traveling all over the world. And sometimes I am in the United States, but other times for a very long time, I will be traveling outside of the United States, which means most of the time, especially if I'm living on a cruise ship, I cannot get deliveries and I can't just walk into a local Ulta or Sephora and pick up any of my favorites. And if you want to know why we sold everything and how we're traveling around the world, and we pretty much live on cruise ships much of the time, but if you want to know more about that, I shared more information in another video, so I'll pop that video up here if you want to click on that and check it out. We got back to the United States a little over a week ago, and there are some skincare products that I immediately had to rush out and pick up. Now, I actually ordered them online because I'm not really big into shopping in the stores. I did stock up pretty good on my favorites before we left the country. We had left, golly, maybe in November, December, something like that, and just got back. So I did bring a pretty good supply of products that I absolutely did not want to run out of while I was gone. And I do still have a few of my favorites, so I didn't have to rebuy all of my skincare. But I want to share with you some of my all-time favorites and some holy grails of what I instantly purchased when I got back to the United States. And I think a couple of these products, maybe I've never even shared them before. So I did a pretty big shopping spree online at Derm Store, and they are having a huge sale right now for Memorial Day. So if you're watching this video the first few days that it pops up, make sure you look down below and I'll share all their discount information and all the free gifts and stuff like that that you can get down below. I'm gonna jump to hair really quickly, and then I'll show the skincare products that I got. Has anyone tried these? Oh, I didn't even realize these fit together like this. I just realized that. Anyways, these funky little shampoo and conditioner bottles. This is probably right now my top shampoo and conditioner. And this is their Grande Hair Full Boost Shampoo. It says reclaim fuller looking hair with niacinamide and hexapeptide 11. It's for density and scalp energizing. If you want, I'm talking insane Farrah Fawcett, massive 1980s, huge hair, you've got to try this shampoo. My hair has settled down a little bit. I actually had to like smush it down. This gives you insane volume. If you just want to gently cleanse your scalp and your hair, but infuse all of these really good ingredients and then give your hair that super healthy, bouncy, full, and I'm talking ridiculous softness. And the other thing, oh my gosh, the smell, if you like men's cologne, it's not overpowering. It's a very soft, very mild kind of men's cologne scent. I've used this 3 times now, and I just used it this morning. But the first time I used this the other day, I forgot that it had that yummy, light kind of men's cologne. But you don't smell like a man. You know, if you're a girly girl like me and you don't want to smell like a man, I want to smell, you know, fresh and clean. That's what this smells like. But when I used it the first time, I forgot that I'd used a new shampoo, and I took my hair out of my microfiber towel and I was getting ready to dry it, and I kept looking around like, where's my husband? Is he around? Like, that's a new cologne that smells yummy. It was just this really soft scent, but it was me. It was my hair. I forgot. It also helps my hair to not fall out. This is all, you probably can't even tell, right here, this little teeny bit, this is what, I don't know, 10 strands of hair balled up. This is all the hair that came out when I washed my hair. Normally I have like a big glop of hair, so if you are just tired of your hair falling out and you want something gentle but something that really is gonna make your hair feel amazing, you might want to check this out. One more hair product really quickly. If you have not tried this Olaplex, what is it, their number 7 bonding oil. Now, I'm not a huge fan of all of Olaplex's products. I prefer the K18 treatment better than the Olaplex, but K18 has a hair oil and I don't really care for that one. But this one from Olaplex, holy grail. I ran out of this. I purchased one before we left and I ran out of it because I love this so much and use it every single day. And so we searched in every salon. Every time we'd see a salon when we were in South America, I was like, ooh, pull over, let me see if they sell it. And I could not find this anywhere. So this was on my radar of like one of the first things I wanted to restock when I got back to the United States. You only need like 1 drop of this. I don't want to waste it, but let me just show you. It's just like a thin oil. 1, 2, 3, 4 drops. Even sometimes if I put 4 drops on, it's fine, but I don't want to waste it. But if you just do 1 drop, rub it in your hands, and then just gently rub it over your hair. First of all, your hair's not going to feel oily and build up, you know, the way some other hair oils do. But if you want the silkiest, the softest hair ever, I'm not exaggerating. You have to try this oil. I usually put it on after I style my hair, but I didn't realize that you can put it on your hair wet, a few little drops of it, and this is actually a heat protectant for your hair. I didn't realize that if you put it on your hair when it's damp. This is the best oil for the hair ever invented, in my opinion. This is not a sponsored video or anything like that. If you do choose to use my links, most of them are affiliate, but if you do choose to use my links, thank you very much. All right, one other thing that's probably no surprise. This has been a holy grail product of mine now for, golly, 5 years now, probably 4 or 5 years now. This is by SkinMedica. This is their TNS growth factor serum. This is not an affordable product, I'm not gonna lie, but it is on a nice big sale right now. I ran out of this probably 2 months ago and I started noticing it in my skin. I noticed that especially the jowl area and then this little area here, I noticed that it seems to firm it up on me. It's very, it's not super duper noticeable probably to someone else, but to me, looking in the mirror, especially a zoom in mirror every day, I notice the firmness in my skin totally improves when I use this product. To me, out of all the growth factor serums that I've personally tried, I always go back to this one, even though I do test other ones, because I just think it's the best anti-aging growth factor serum on the market. Another product, now this is affordable. I bought 2 packs of these. My under eyes, I talk about under eye skin health constantly because I'm 51. As we age, we really notice it under our eyes. And so I love using different eye masks. This is the one from DHC that I love. I go back to this one all the time. These are perfect. I can reuse these for a few times. These are perfect. I'll put my eye cream on and then I will put these on right over top. I'll leave this on sometimes for an hour, and after I peel it off, it's almost like my wrinkles under my eyes, they've been ironed out. I also restocked my all-time favorite Holy Grail SPF Compact from 𝑽𝑰𝑫𝑬𝑺. This is a cream to powder sunscreen, but it looks like a makeup. Now, I have not used this one yet. I don't even wear foundation anymore. This is what I have on my face today as foundation. I'll pop up some other footage here. This is like medium to full coverage on your skin, but it's a sunscreen, an SPF 50 mineral sunscreen. Now, I do use my other liquid sunscreen on my face first before I, put this on. I don't only use this as my source of sunscreen. I even will use this throughout the day to touch up my sunscreen, every couple hours. So this is an all-time favorite, Holy Grail. So pretty much my whole face is like double duty sunscreen, and I have no traditional foundation on. This is all I use now. I also restocked my Medigate, my all-time favorite nightly retinol product, and their eye cream. These are the ones, as you can see, these are almost empty. That package of these, I think it's gonna be delivered today or tomorrow. So I did order a couple more of these, but these 2 products I pretty much use every night if I'm not, exfoliating. If you wanna see that other video of why this is the most amazing nightly retinol product, in my opinion, I will pop that other video up here if you wanted to click on it and check it out. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.